cold outside, I decided to work on my car in the garage. So I went to Whole Boobs. What I'm gonna do first is turn my steering wheel all the way to the right, which means I can work on the driver's side first. All right, you're gonna wanna remove a tab here and remove the tab here. Once those two are removed, you can pull this back. This is gonna be your fog light. You're gonna wanna push this down right here. That comes off. Then you grab this by turning this to the side, popping that out. Be careful, don't touch this. If you were just using your lights, this could be really hot. And if you ever wanna use it again, touching this will burn the bulb. So, not that you'll ever wanna use this, because these are way better. All right, that's the LED. Boop. That's the halogen LED. Now you're gonna turn the wheel the other way. Pop out these two, one screw, one clip. Reach your arm back in here. I already got this removed. All you gotta do is push down here and this just pops right out. Now turn this. And you got this bulb out too. Time for the upgrade. One thing I will say is test your lights, because these things are like reversible and it doesn't mean your lights are broken or anything. You just might need to switch this around. So I do suggest turning your lights on, making sure they work before you put in all of these. Otherwise you'll be upset having to do it later. So just a quick tip. All right, here's the fog lights in the yellow mode. Good visibility. Here's in white mode. Woo! Bitches are bright. Right, now that I got bulb lights on, what a noticeable difference. Didn't even need to aim them, they're already where they need to be. So sick! These are the sickest lights ever. Quick, easy install as well.